Yes, out of Express GH TV's new host, Lucky. And I want to be a share message and your first time. Now, you subscribe, your message over subscribe. We be like, share, comment to YouTube post. Be a send a also. Am I an update? Be also on side. I can find face dear. Oh, what you are with them? Mini baby, you're going out for now. What's so yes, snap, such you can know my mind will be no shout out. Nini, I don't know what you say. Happy yourself. Happy yourself. Na me nua Ghana yes na ye fa enho adwen na ejitum obi a hwe no husu yese na be yo no nso nkokopiem e wo police custody nu na no e na sa akwade de enchene koso no e no oba bi enso achi amasa akwade papa ge bia fori amasa akwade me nua enya asem kuma wo de enkoti ababa ware kwanfo aso kan na asem e wo romantic way wo doso ne anije so no anije tie ko enkohwe sa asem no so emra
ka wani se o be kan se bebo no sa wan de da bi
anya no kwa no odwe
na fi mi kama se me nyanka nyi na afi o pese odi manu si bone
rabbi ko ya kasa asema o kan wan kan yi
because an fi mi pese obi ara be ya na wa ware ana se me ba me ka obi a me crash won na afi obi ehun se obi a me kan se won ti se nipa kro no ntumi nwale me de ya se me no me obi a sa ko de
ni pe ya ware
abusia ma pon wan
onka dia obenya
me so obeka jo metal mo no mo ni ade
sa ko ma ware sa ko dia ware jo metal ware
David
e ti wo crash dia obenya
na ka ko jo metal line
na me ka se sanka nya se bia sa ka ware dia
ade ti na o pese ka o ware sak
oh me penasem minim
ba unya obe ware no
anya se wa ware anka
o ka obe ware no ade nti e de no wahu wono ho
me penasem I don't know
me to be ko dia se ka so ware no
minim
una now
yeah
una now sese
nti
una now sese
did I just say that
and only a bipolar
when they are tripolar when you tripolar
yes minia wakwa akohwe aban no ano no a sa akwade na obi abudo e de ama wono no wate ase we a fantastic time e de my brand your friend says sa akwade enso e wo hona nanado ekoko kan sembi ewo one of the best radio stations ewo Ghana has said impo ahemfofo no mo afra wo no so mo hwe na se normal na ekoso no mo ani nje hu na so mo aka hu so mo e frustrated ya ene esa yi blog no mo aka sa on to aso se na bebo aso ama bibia so atimi akoso wano eno ena John Dimelo so ababa react to some no big time o kiremu a well see if the president is saying Togbe Fiti should complete it himself, no problem. I will donate $100 of cement or decks to the paramount chief to start the completion process. And also, Hebeka sir. So now do say wa bromo. Now what mean to us? You know, we na be did into boa ti ase kakakra. No almost so omo dey complete ASR project no way. And so the kwan ya brand Professor John Dimelo so efa so react to sir in some no. His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo ababe confess say wababe kan sembi on no akasa mu say a very mistake, a big mistake bi awaye no abrabo mo say. Let me confess, on mami kama no masem kakra, I made a mistake on the Cape Coast. Even with the mistake, we have to rethink. We cannot have a harbor at Takoradi and Erimina and have another one at Cape Coast. But I have to apologize to the people of Cape Coast. Presidents are humans and they can make mistakes. What you say was saying I was shebo bi wa kan sembi onu ankasa akotena se adwene ho hu sem asa we yam from so I to be a president usumoja for mu techirema ene da wanu muti usu tumi ya from so nti se wa fom a wasro omo mfa anye den enche no a emu nkofo mo eye Cape Coast Shatawale minu ne de ena ne ho akodni senseme eni obi asori Shatawale ho asem ko a na one of the private legal practitioner Samson Ladi Ayenini yes waba abekan sembi diafa Shatawale ehun wase dan wase Shatawale could face 5 years in jail for originating false news minim ninsema wakan say oh my god do enchebia wase se yakopon ambam na hye ne ntutu na lo yafo na ye tofo a Shatawale nsema ye di agro ho no betimi akospended 5 years in jail I no so ebeye by time so edi ama abrantie wo ye lawyer papa e no so aba e de reaction so edi aba bonten Nam 1 nam one na ebekwa nam one nsem no so dia A+ aba beka nsem pe na Kwame A+ wose say Kwame A+ unim say dia IGP ni bufumpa minia IGP e fili IGP e jinidi cause ono de se torrent kura so na obehye e na obefum kura no no ba be chow na watimi aye normal sefata no na A+ say then or say now if I post pe then boys can mention Ghana Police Service in the comments. So the way me and you guys dey for here, you won't make them Dan Pare catch me. Hey, serious pa nipa nyo. Entini nyina ne say omo frefre Dan Pare so e di ama ne say wo mra mechi Kwame A+ na mo krobu na akone mo yeku. Akone mo ye fine na. E die be asem ne ba ye nti a mo so mo frefre Dan Pare so e di ama no. Ye ka Dan Pare minia abranti a ye friend say eye nam one was say won slow Dan Pare foko on fa boge yes one say ka say nam one ase wonim no na appear mensa one ai papa ya ba abegini din e wo Ghana ha say me kai na wa kai men's gold ai so bibi kakra koka ho yes men's gold for eye omo panyin no na was say those cops telephone e be kan say we say enche na nipa aka adwamu when Namwan was a president IGP now one says you can't do foco is it true meaning your reactions in Dawson and no na abako say IGP na Namwan say want to me enche no na sasem we answer ho na obi aba betro krata ten so e dia fa eye sa ade no so ho was say if he is indeed facing the nation, he should arrest Namwan. So many people, customers, are dead because of Namwan. Agrada working free say she has repented. Mr. Woyomi make arrest too. Shua also posted gun threatening to kill make he arrest too. Hawakumsi put a gun, may go arrest LOL. Think he dare do bosu IGP, bosu LOL. This time will also come. If he says he is working, let him do the DVRA passport office where people charge 2,000 and 3,000 for Ghana passports. Mr. IGP, do the reacting. Don't use celebrities as a scapegoat. They built their reputation from very long time, and you want to use this one month in office to destroy such a historic legacy. Do your work and let the law work on each of every one of us. No exemption. And on also kind of sana kasia better court say IGP Namwan is insulting you. Was say Namwan ADD IGP so atem na no na those cops are response was sa Namwan Ghana for say yemecho ai yes yemecho we are the pa anka yenka say yemecho also say want me your foko yenhwe obe subscribe ya like ya share comment to this YouTube post ebe bo so bi so to akoso 101 me na say twa crusade obo say be share bi makra